Bobby Joe here. Welcome back to Cooking with Bobby Joe. With Valentine's Day coming up, we are making a few candy recipes for those that want to try to make homemade candy instead of buying store-bought stuff. This is super easy to make. You're going to need 1 jar of unsalted roasted peanuts, 1 bag of white chocolate chips, red decorating sugar, and salt. To start with, you want to line a baking pan with aluminum foil, and you want to spray the aluminum foil with cooking spray. Melt the chocolate chips, and you can melt the chocolate chips in the microwave if you prefer, or in a double boiler. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can make your own double boiler by heating water in a larger pot and putting a smaller pot on top with the chocolate chips in it. Just make sure you get no water in the melted chocolate. Once the chocolate chips are melted, pour into a mixing bowl with the roasted peanuts. You mix it together quickly. As the chocolate cools, the candy hardens. You want to pour the mixture onto the lined pan and spread evenly until the pan is covered. Sprinkle with salt and the red decorating sugar. Stick in the fridge for 1 hour. Remove from the fridge and then remove the aluminum foil from the pan and just break the candy up into pieces. Then you share it with all your human friends. Us doggies can't have chocolate, but humans seem to love it. Valentine's Day is also my mom's birthday. Converting her age from human into dog, she'll be around 6 to 7 years old. So back to the candy. You can put this in cute little Valentine bags, tie with a ribbon, and share as a Valentine's gift or a birthday gift if your mom's birthday is on Valentine's Day too. I hope you liked this quick and simple recipe. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and also subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. Also, I now have a Facebook page where I post updates throughout the week on what I'm up to, so you might want to check it out and also like that page. We'll be posting a drool-worthy dog treat recipe on Wednesday that you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a very blessed week.